If you don't tell your spouse that you're relocating and you issue a court order in one county, yes, you could have set me up if I'd went there, yeah, without knowing that I was committing any sort of a crime. Yeah. Another way to get somebody arrested, right? You don't inform them that you're moving. Oh, relocation of the children, the family law handbook. Yeah. hmm hmm Page 21. Let's read it so that you don't think that I'm misinterpreting what the actual handbook says. Of course, the state legislature doesn't approve this. Their actual laws don't have anything to do with what the Supreme Courts and the Superior Courts decide to print up. You're an idiot, you know that? You're just an idiot. You're the stupidest. I don't know who it is that thinks that they know everything there is to know about domestic violence. Yeah. But this handbook, Family Law Handbook, yes, that is printed, yes, and advised upon the Superior Court Judges Association. Yeah, these idiots that have been Superior Court judges. Mm, mm. Yeah, you know more than all the Superior Court judges, yes, that have sat upon any of the associations that put this literature together. That's how smart you are. Yes. Let's see, chapter 7. Parenting plans. What page is this? 14. Yes. Let's read it together. Yes. You didn't serve me a dissolution of marriage. Yep. You arrested me for the false accusation of violating your protection order. Yes. You had me arraigned and then you made me go to court numerous times. You made me do a mental health evaluation while having undocketed court hearings to explain why I wanted to reschedule the mental health evaluation. You had the actual evidence that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington. Yes. But you continued to prosecute me because you just couldn't admit that I wasn't there. Now, the Relocation Act, if a parent with whom the children live most of the time wants to relocate, move the children to a different residence, there are certain laws or rules that apply. Relocating parents should look at these laws as soon as they begin considering a move because there are mandatory steps. Yeah. That must be taken. The law applies, is called the Relocation Act. Yes. My wife never told me she was moving. No, had no idea of it. Yes, I could have went to Port Townsend. I could have bumped into her in the same QFC. Yes, the Safeway. We could have seen each other at the McDonald's, and I would have gotten arrested. Relocation Act has many requirements. It's complicated. If a parent wants to move with the children, a parenting plan is in place. Yes. A parenting plan that the respondent was never served. Yes. A parenting plan that was issued without the respondent getting notice of court hearings. That parent must notify the other parent and others who have court order time with the children. Now you'd say, since I don't have court order time, she doesn't have to tell me she's relocating. But you issued a protection order. Yes. You would think that there's some if the move is outside of the children's current school district, the other parent can object. There's a presumption that the move will be allowed, but the decision is made by the court based on 11 specific factors listed in the Child Relocation Act, which can be found in RCW 26.09.530. Yes. This is another one of those state laws that are not applicable to Clallam County. Yes. You don't have to enforce these state laws. Yes. I know you're a judge. You don't have to. How does the other parent object to the move? If the non-moving parent objects to a move, the parent must file an objection within 30 days of the date of the notice is received. The objection is a request for a parenting plan modification. Yes. The same plan that I should modify when it's the protection order. Yes. That I should serve my wife when she's living in Jefferson County. Yeah. That I didn't know she was relocating at the time of the relocation. Yes. That I should serve her so that she can say that I'm harassing her right now. Is that right, Judge? Should I do that? You know, at the time of the move, I probably didn't know, but I do research my own last name, Budnek. And had a pretty good idea that she probably got a teaching job there in the Brennan School District. Yep. Same school district said that I was emailing them, the people at that workplace. Yes. But I wasn't. No. I was emailing all the other civil rights coordinators. Yes. That they don't have to enforce the Relocation Act. Yes. It's as if you